Hello guys, so this is the finished model of our Arduino based home automation system. Initially in the prototype version we only included support for an RGB LED, but here we have also added a DC bulb and a DC fan which will be powered by a DC motor. And we have also included voice controlled commands in our application so that we can control all these devices simultaneously or separately by giving some voice commands in our application only. So let me first tell you about the RGB LED. This LED is used to control the combinations of red, green and blue color respectively. And the data to this LED is instantly transmitted through the Bluetooth module which is embedded inside this box with the entire wiring and circuit. Next we have the DC bulb which can be used to represent any DC component. We can use this application to control the brightness of this bulb or power it on or off. And then we have a DC fan which is powered by a DC motor. We have included a regulator system in our application so that we can control the speed of this fan ranging from 0 to analog value 255, given the name off to max. Okay, so the code is already uploaded inside the Arduino which is inside this box. So now I'll just power the USB cable on. Okay, so now the circuit has powered on, so I'll just go ahead and connect my Bluetooth module to this Android device SE05. So now the Bluetooth module is connected to this phone, so I can make changes to these three devices using this application. Let us first experiment around with the values of the RGB LED. I'll just decrease the value of R first, and you can see the changes are there in the LED as well. So now the blue value has the maximum value of the three colors, and also in the RGB LED the bluish shade is the most brighter. As I said earlier, we can use some voice commands to control these three devices, so I'll just show you how to use that for the RGB LED. RGB off. There it is. To turn it on, RGB on. And it's working. Next we have the DC bulb, which can be controlled using this slider which says DC bulb's brightness. I'll gradually decrease the brightness and show you how it's reflected in the LED as well. As you can see, the brightness is slightly getting dimmer and dimmer, and on 0 value it has turned off. As with this RGB LED, we can also use voice commands to control this DC bulb. Bulb on. Bulb off. And it's working. So now we'll move ahead to the DC fan, which is controlled by this regulator panel, which ranges from the value 0 to maximum. Let's just first give it the maximum value possible. And the fan has started rotating. I'll slightly decrease the value to the 4th position, and on careful inspection you can notice that the speed has slightly decreased. To turn it off, I'll just do this, and there the fan is turned off. So to control all this, I'll just turn on the fan first to demonstrate my next piece of demonstration, and also the DC bulb to some random brightness. Okay, so now let's just assume we have to power off all these three devices simultaneously. For that we have a master control. We can also give this master control through our voice controlled command, all off, and you can see simultaneously all the devices have powered off. So there it is, our Arduino based home automation system. Thank you.